This is a story about Tom.
Good night, Teddy Bear.
Tom is sleeping. The weather is changing fast. Listen. Rain is starting.
What? What is that sound? Look! Lightning! Oh no! Thunder is so loud! I am scared. I must find Mom. Open! Open now, stupid door! It does not open. Oh, this is bad. Mom, I'm scared. Help me. Power is off. Now it is so dark. I am all alone here. I feel scared and alone. Look at the shadow. The toys look strange. No monster! No monster! It is a monster! Go away! Go away!
It's raining heavily outside. I should check around. I must check Tom. He doesn't like thunder and lightning. Wait, what is that sound? Oh, the noises come from Tom's room. The door is stuck. Tom? Are you all right? I hear you crying. Don't be scared, my dear. Mommy is here.
Mom, come inside, I need you.
See? It opened. Light comes in.
Wow, it's so warm and bright. Mommy, I'm glad you are here.
My brave boy. Sorry for coming late.
There was a monster under my bed.
Come over here, Tom. No monster is real. It's all about your imagination.
Let's see what's under your bed. Look, honey. There is no monster.
Come here, honey. We will play a game. Look, Tom. A spider. This spider is very brave, like you, Tom.
Wow. The shadow is very cute now.
I am here. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
I am not scared anymore.
The noise is going away.
Hey, that's my shirt. It's just a shirt.
You are very brave, Tom. I'm so proud of you.
Yay! The light is back!
Let's blow out the candle. The rain and thunder have gone away. It's fine now. Here, your new friend. You can use it whenever you feel scared.
Wow! It is my flashlight. I can use it to fight scary shadows. I can see everything in my room at night from now. It's so bright. Look, Mom. I have the power of light now.
Okay, playtime's over. Time for sleep.
Sure, Mom.
Keep warm. Don't kick your blanket out.
I will, Mom. Good night to you.
Good night, my love. See you soon.
Tom feels peaceful. The rain has stopped. Here comes the peaceful night. Be brave like Tom. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.